Okay, for this next part we're going to be moving movie clips using set values. I'm going to introduce you to if statements. We're going to also be looking at the plus equals code, and also the greater than and equal to and the less than and equal to code. So we shall get on with this. So we need to create a new ActionScript document, and for this one I'm going to create a circle. Black will do. We will convert that to a movie clip. There we have it. I'm going to give this an instance name. Circle underscore MC. I'm then going to create a new layer. As always, I'll call this actions. By the way, I will also upload all of these Flash movies so you can have a look at the code and copy and paste them if you need to. Let's go and have a look at the actions. So again, we need to do it on enter frame equals function opens close brackets, open curly brackets, close curly brackets. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to alter circle underscore MC. We're going to play with his X position, and that is going to, instead of doing equal, which sets it, we're going to do plus equal, which is a cumulative. So what will happen is that whatever position the circle is in, we will add a number to it. So if it's at 0, we will add 5 to it, meaning its position will become 5 pixels across the stage, and it will accumulate on the enter frame. So 12 frames per second it will be doing this, so it will move quite fast. So we'll just play, test, and as you can see the object is moving across, and it will carry on like that forever and ever. Okay. Now what we're going to do now is I'm going to introduce you to an if-else statement, or an if statement. So what's going to happen is that when the circle's position becomes off stage, we will then change it and put it back over to the left hand side, keeping it continuously on the stage at all times, or the scene. So what we do is we say if, in brackets, circles MC, its X position is greater than or equal to 555, which is 5 pixels just beyond the stage of the scene. We're going to do something. So we open and close our curly brackets. Always remember to open and close your curly brackets. It's much easier because you'll forget otherwise. We're going to change its position. Circle underscore MC, and then we will set its X position to equal 0, which means it will put it back over to the left hand side, semicolon. Test that, it's happy, test movie. So as it slowly goes over, it gets a 555 and jumps back over here. Now we can do exactly the same for the Y position. So we're going to change the up and down position, and now instead of 5 I'm going to put -5. -5 means it will go upwards instead of downwards. I'm going to copy this if statement, and I'm going to change the Y position on both, so that when the Y, now we don't want greater than because it's going to actually go towards 0, it's actually going negative, so we want it to be less than. So if it is less than -5, so it's off the stage, we will set the position of circle to equal 400, because the up and down, or the height of the stage, is 400. Test it. There we have it. So it's now going upwards as it goes towards -5. Now this is the start of doing the bouncing ball. We have to go a bit further, and that's in the next part.